My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to effectively remove the ransomware called Cryptonite. This video is for demonstration and for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. I'm showing you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your data, your files, without any problems. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, all that can be opened easily without troubles. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Cryptonite ransomware may easily penetrate into the system. Then it will not be possible to use the files anymore because of this nasty ransomware called Cryptonite. So the fact that this Cryptonite ransomware has attacked your files means that your antivirus program can be blamed for allowing this ransomware to be injected into your system. This Cryptonite ransomware actually adds this special random extension that consists of 4 random symbols. So there is no point for me to mention this extension because it is random anyway. But the ransomware drops this ransom note on the screen mentioning that people need to pay the ransom. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored, so don't pay the ransom, don't waste the money. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable security application called Combo Cleaner. To download Combo Cleaner, you might need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may also be modified by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install the application, then start researching your system. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database and then click on Start Scan button. Now, initially the application is in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. While the scanning is taking place, please pay careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So then the scanning will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. It may depend on how powerful the computer is and how infected the system is. Anyway, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their locations on the system. We recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.